Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Hi, Dad. I'm great.
I'm going to ask you some questions today.
Okay, Dad. I'm very excited to answer your questions.
How was your day at school?
It was great, Dad. I played with my friends and learned new things.
Did you finish all your homework?
Yes, I did. I even did some extra credit work.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a turkey sandwich and some carrots.
Did you have fun at the park?
Yes, it was so much fun. We played tag and went on the swings.
What did you learn in math today?
I learned how to add and subtract with bigger numbers.
Did you remember to brush your teeth this morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth and used mouthwash too.
What book are you reading at school?
I am reading Charlotte's Web right now.
Did you make any new friends today?
Yes, I made a new friend named Lily. We played together at recess.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is art. I love drawing and painting.
Did you help clean up your toys before bed?
Yes, I did. I put all my toys back in their proper places.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and a banana for breakfast.
Did you remember to say please and thank you today?
Yes, I always remember to use my manners.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love going to the park with you and playing catch.
What's one thing you learned about in science class?
I learned about plants and how they grow.
Did you remember to wash your hands before dinner?
Yes, I washed my hands with soap and water.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, just like your favorite tie.
Did you share your toys with your friends at school?
Yes, I shared my toys and we played together nicely.
What's your favorite game to play with me?
I love playing hide and seek with you, Dad.
Did you have any problems at school today?
No, I didn't have any problems. It was a good day.
What's your favorite thing to do with your siblings?
I love playing board games with them and having family movie nights.
Did you remember to put your dirty clothes in the laundry?
Yes, I put my clothes in the laundry hamper like you showed me.
What's one thing you're grateful for today?
I am grateful for my family and spending time with you.
Did you try any new foods today?
Yes, I tried broccoli for the first time and I liked it.
What's your favorite thing about school?
I love learning new things and seeing my friends every day.
Did you remember to say your prayers before bed?
Yes, I said my prayers and thanked God for my family and friends.
What's your favorite thing to do in the snow?
I love building snowmen and having snowball fights with my friends.
Did you remember to clean up after playing with your toys?
Yes, I put all my toys away before going to bed.
What's one thing you want to learn more about?
I want to learn more about animals and their habitats.
Did you help your teacher with any tasks today?
Yes, I helped her pass out papers and clean up the classroom.
What's your favorite thing to do during summer break?
I love going swimming and having picnics at the park.
Did you make any art projects at school today?
Yes, I made a drawing of our family and it's hanging on the fridge.
What's one thing you're proud of yourself for today?
I'm proud that I made a new friend and helped someone who was sad.
Did you remember to say excuse me when you needed something?
Yes, I always remember to say excuse me and use my manners.
What's your favorite thing to do with your grandparents?
I love baking cookies and playing board games with them.
Did you learn any new words in your vocabulary lesson?
Yes, I learned the word excited and it means feeling happy and eager.
What's one thing you want to accomplish this week?
I want to finish reading my book and write a book report for class.
Did you remember to turn off the lights when you left the room?
Yes, I turned off all the lights to save energy.
What's your favorite animal at the zoo?
I love the lions because they're so big and powerful.
Did you remember to wear your jacket when it was cold outside?
Yes, I wore my jacket and gloves to stay warm.
What's one thing you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a firefighter and help people in emergencies.
Did you help set the table for dinner?
Yes, I set the plates and utensils for everyone.
What's your favorite thing to do with your cousins?
I love having sleepovers and playing games with them.
Did you remember to bring your water bottle to school?
Yes, I brought my water bottle and stayed hydrated all day.
What's one thing you're looking forward to this weekend?
I'm excited to go to the zoo with you and see all the animals.
Did you remember to say I love you to your family today?
Yes, I say I love you to my family every day.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love building a fort and reading books with a flashlight.
Did you remember to say sorry if you accidentally hurt someone's feelings?
Yes, I always apologize and try to make things better.
What's one thing you're good at?
I'm good at drawing and making people laugh.
Did you help your mom with any chores today?
Yes, I helped her fold laundry and put dishes away.
What's your favorite thing to do before bedtime?
I love reading a bedtime story with you, Dad.
Did you remember to recycle your empty juice box?
Yes, I put it in the recycling bin like we always do.
What's one new thing you learned about your friend today?
I learned that my friend Alex loves playing soccer, just like me.
Did you remember to be kind to your little sister today?
Yes, I shared my toys with her and helped her with a puzzle.
What's your favorite thing to do with your pet?
I love playing fetch with my dog and cuddling with my cat.
Did you remember to say please when you wanted something?
Yes, I always remember to use my manners.
What's one thing you're grateful for about our family?
I'm grateful that we always have dinner together and talk about our day.
Did you help your dad in the garden today?
Yes, I helped water the plants and pick some fresh vegetables.
What's your favorite thing to do when it's snowing outside?
I love making snow angels and drinking hot chocolate.
Did you remember to say thank you when someone did something nice for you?
Yes, I always say thank you and show my appreciation.
What's one thing you want to learn how to cook?
I want to learn how to make your famous spaghetti and meatballs.
Did you help your mom cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I helped her chop vegetables and mix ingredients.
What's your favorite thing to do with your best friend?
I love riding bikes and having picnics with my best friend Ben.
Did you remember to walk the dog after school?
Yes, I walked the dog and cleaned up after him too.
What's one thing you're proud of yourself for doing this week?
I'm proud that I got an A on my spelling test and studied hard for it.
Did you remember to ask for help if you needed it?
Yes, I asked my teacher for help with a math problem and she explained it to me.
What's your favorite thing to do with your dad?
I love going fishing with you and learning how to cast.
Did you remember to put on sunscreen when you went outside?
Yes, I put on sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun.
What's one thing you learned about in history class?
I learned about Martin Luther King Jr. and how he fought for equal rights.
Did you remember to tell your mom goodnight before going to bed?
Yes, I always say goodnight and give her a hug and kiss.
What's your favorite thing to do at the beach?
I love building sand castles and looking for seashells with you.
Did you remember to pick up your toys before going to the park?
Yes, I put all my toys away so they wouldn't get lost or broken.
What's one thing you want to do during summer vacation?
I want to go camping and roast marshmallows over a campfire.
Did you remember to be patient when waiting for something?
Yes, I waited my turn and didn't get upset or pushy.
What's your favorite thing to do with your aunt?
I love baking cookies and watching movies with her.
Did you remember to use kind words when talking to your friends?
Yes, I always try to be kind and speak nicely to my friends.
What's one thing you want to learn about in science class?
I want to learn about outer space and the planets.